Video opens with an animated map resembling an old treasure map. Ever wondered about real treasure? Let's dive into a story. Once upon a time, there lived a young man named Arslan. Transition to Arslan discovering the map. His grandfather left him an old map leading to a hidden treasure. Show the map with symbols like mountains and rivers. The map read, "He who walks with a true heart will find the treasure." Arslan starts his journey. Arslan began his journey, facing mountains and rivers. Introduce Meher. He met Meher, a traveler who loved old stories. Arslan and Meher journey together. Together, they crossed forests and deserts, facing trials of hunger and storms. One day, Meher asked, "What will you do first if you find the treasure?" Arslan replied, "Maybe smile at you. This was the treasure I was looking for." Meher laughed and said, "You needed peace of heart, and you found it." They arrive at the final marked location. Finally, they reached the map's last mark, finding no gold or diamonds. Instead, a stone read, "Truth, friendship, and love are man's true treasures." Arslan and Meher smile at each other. Arslan and Meher stood silently, finding peace in their hearts. End screen with a question for viewers. What's your treasure? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.